Hey there, warriors of emotion. Ever felt like your feelings are driving the bus and you're just a passenger? Well, buckle up because today we're about to hijack that bus and put you back in the driver's seat. Get ready for an emotional revolution. Number 1. Recognize and label your emotions. It's time to call out those emotional ninjas hiding in the shadows. Action time. Start a daily emotion journal. Identify and label your emotions, giving them the recognition they deserve. This simple act is your first step towards wielding the power of awareness. Number 2. The mindful pause and reflect. In the chaos of emotions, we're hitting the pause button. Let's add a moment of mindfulness to our daily hustle. Set hourly reminders for a 1-minute mindful pause. Take a deep breath, reflect on your emotions, and reset your mental compass. This small but impactful step builds the foundation for emotional control. Number 3. Reframe negative thoughts. We're flipping the script on negativity and rewriting the narrative. When a negative thought creeps in, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this thought helpful? Replace it with a positive or neutral alternative. Reframing empowers you to control the narrative of your emotional story. Number 4. Mastering emotional regulation techniques. It's not just about riding the wave. It's about becoming the captain of your emotional ship. Develop a personalized toolkit of regulation techniques. Whether it's deep breathing, visualization, or progressive muscle relaxation, have your go-to method ready to deploy in moments of emotional turbulence. Number 5. Build a support system. You're not alone in this quest. Surround yourself with allies who'll help you conquer your emotional Everest. Share your emotional goals with a trusted friend or family member. Establish open lines of communication. Having a support system in place provides strength when faced with emotional challenges. There you have it. 5 potent strategies to take control of your emotions. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because this journey is just beginning. 1% Mastery, signing off. Let's conquer those emotions and own the battlefield of life.